Sometimes when it comes to decoding a key, you'd like to find the key code or even find some of the biddings if they're missing. So what we'll do is actually we'll connect to our machine. With the Dolphin, unfortunately, this all has to be done through the phone. It can't be done through the device. So what we'll do now is go cut by bidding. And in here we'll search toy 43. And what we can do at this stage is once we've got our key in the machine is just decode the key. Awesome. Once we've done that, what we can actually do is using our phone is actually use a find bidding. And what that'll do, so that's just a button down the bottom. And what that'll actually do, and we'll let it know to Toyota, that'll actually give us the key code if it's in the database, which it is, which is right there. And just to confirm that, I'll pull out the key. And we're lucky enough on this key to actually have the key code 68869, which is exactly what we have on our screen. So that's a really good way to find the key code if you ever need it. In some cases it's not really necessary, but sometimes it's good to cut it back to original state. So thank you guys. Alrighty guys, that's all I got for you today, and thanks for watching.